To introduce a smart touch digital multimeter. Packing box, storage bag, instructions, charging cable, exercise 1's pen, multimeter, complete with accessories, USB charging, direct charge multimeter, farewell to replace the battery, touch screen, real-time temperature display, stainless steel marker, DC current. The pen is connected to the current port. Switch to the corresponding gear as shown in the video series. Line can be measured. DC current, AC current. Switch to the corresponding gear as shown in the video series. Line can be measured. Data retention, AC current, NCV voltage detection. Non-contact induction. When the nearby AC voltage is detected, the multimeter emits an alarm beep. Div0 firewire identification. Plug the pen line with a single red pen plug into the socket identification. The signal is strong fire line. 0 line has no reaction. AC voltage. Switch the corresponding gear, measure the AC voltage about 220 V and display the Hertz frequency. DC voltage. Switch the corresponding gear and touch the positive and negative terminals of the battery with a marker. DC voltage. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear. The pen contact both ends of the resistance can be. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding gear and test the buzzer on and off. If a buzzer sounds, the system is normal. If there is no sound, it is damaged. Diode. Switch to the corresponding gear. The pen corresponds to the positive and negative diodes can be. Capacitors. Switch to the corresponding gear. The pen can contact the two ends of the capacitor. Nipple discharge before the test. Back flashlight lighting. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding gear and press the video operation.